Hello, today I'm going to cook cashew chicken. It's a very popular dish served in Chinese restaurants and takeaways. The main ingredients and quantities I've used today are 2 chicken breasts and 200 grams of unsalted cashew nuts. The vegetables I'm using today is 1 bell pepper, a small onion, some spring onion, garlic and ginger, around 2 teaspoons each. It's better to cut the vegetables the same shape and size is for even cooking. It's your choice of vegetables. If you're using like broccoli, some harder vegetables that it takes a bit longer time to cook, then I would suggest that you slide them or cut into smaller pieces. Now, we're going to prepare the chicken. Dice the chicken into 1 to 2 inches size pieces and make sure the chicken is cut into similar sizes for even cooking time. And today's recipe is good for 2 servings, 2 chicken breasts. Now comes to preparing the marinade. It is better put all the seasoning in a bowl first rather than adding the seasoning directly into the meat. That will avoid lumps and make sure that it is thoroughly mixed. And the ingredients are in teaspoons. There is sugar, salt, white pepper, corn starch, light and dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, Chinese wine, and a dash of water. Mix well in a bowl and then pour into the chicken, mix it well and leave the meat aside to soak in the seasoning, and then you go on to prepare the vegetables. And why is it important to marinate meat in Chinese cooking? Because it allows the seasoning to better soak into the meat, giving better flavor. And the corn flour tenderizes the meat and giving that velvety soft texture coating. The next part we need to do is preparing the stir-fry sauce. The seasoning for the stir-fry sauce is very similar to the chicken marinade. There's sugar, dark and light soy sauce, oyster sauce, corn starch, and water. Add a bit of sesame oil to the chicken marinade just before that you put in the pan. Why do we need to do that? The chicken has been sitting in the marinade for a little while, and the oil seals the flavor being escaped during cooking. Preheating the pan is very important in Chinese cooking. We cook the meat stir-fry in very high heat. So wait till the pan is hot, put the oil in, and wait till the oil is also heated up, and then put your meat in and cook the meat until you see all the color has changed, but then you still see some streak of red color there. Then you take the meat out from the pan. Using the same pan, add a bit more oil. Put the garlic and ginger in the pan and add a bit of water to deglaze the pan. And drop all the vegetables in and stir fry to your liking. I like my vegetables to be a bit crunchy. Put the chicken back into the pan, cooking for a couple minutes, then add the cashew nuts. Then we can add the stir-fry sauce in the pan, but before we do that, we need to mix the stir-fry sauce first as the corn flour sits at the bottom. Then pour the mixture into the pan, and if you like it a more liquidy gravy, then add a little bit more water. Yummy homemade chicken under half an hour. Thank you for watching. If you got any comments or questions, pop them below. And if you enjoyed this video, why not give me a like and hit the subscribe button for any new videos. Thank you. See you next time.